Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona, and today we're thinking about doing a little bit of planting. It's the 8th of March and our soil temperature is in the middle 60s. That's a real good place to be for planting some of our cool season lettuce, beets, onions, all that kind of stuff. So first, let's talk a little bit about soil temperature. So I'm using this kitchen thermometer. Anything will work as long as it reads in the correct range. So the soil that we're checking is fully prepared. You can see it's moist, and right there is the amount of moisture we want. And of course this applies whether we're planting these tubs inside of our cold frame or if we're planting the beds over there. Same rules apply. So we want to have our soil fully prepared. We want to have it tilled. We want to have it wet. The reason for that is that if we wait till the soil temperature comes up to 65, say, and we till it, we're going to be bringing cooler soil up from below, and we're going to change our soil temperature. So we do all of our prep work first, the watering, the tilling, you name it, all done and ready to go. And I do like to have the soil wet enough that the seeds will germinate without having to water it a bunch more, particularly in heavy clay soil where some things might have trouble breaking that crust if you just watered it. So what to plant? We're looking at a couple of things here. Cabbage. So I'm looking at the seed packs and I'm looking at the soil temperature chart, and everything looks good. Depending on the variety of cabbage or broccoli, they're real similar in their needs. We're looking anywhere from 70 to 90 days till the first good harvest. So temperature is agreeable right now, but what's it going to be like in 90 days? So if I plant a 90-day cabbage, I'm looking at June 8th. Well, in June 8th, it's likely to be 105 or so. We start hitting the hundreds here in Duncan sometimes early May, which means that before this cabbage has had 90 days to mature, the weather's going to get too hot, which will then make it bitter and nasty. It'll bolt, it'll go to seed, and well, that was a wasted effort. Whereas that same cabbage, we might wait and plant it in September, where we have a longer cool season ahead of it, and it will finish. Celery, love to grow some celery. That's 125 days. We're looking at August, and it will have been over 100 for 2-3 months then. So when you're getting ready to plant this stuff, more than just the soil temperature applies. It's how much longer does that plant have to grow before it gets too hot. So that's the kind of a planting decision on your cool season stuff. If you let that guide you, you'll always do well. When the weather gets warmer, soil temperatures are higher, and you'll be wanting to plant chilies, peppers, cucumbers, watermelons, stuff like that. Usually we have a very long growing season, and you really don't have to give that too much thought. So that is the planting decisions for a successful harvest.